We're out touring some new construction properties in Cantonment today. Wanted to take you to a few of the different subdivisions offered by local builders. We've got neighborhoods from D.R. Horton, like this one, Sanctuary, a few from Adams Homes, like Pecan Valley and Pine Top, and another from America Home Corporation, a townhome community called Cypress Cove. And from Lennar, DSLD, and Thomas Home Corporation, we're going to take you through 10 new construction neighborhoods in Cantonment, just north of Pensacola. So come join us. This is Sanctuary off of 95A in Cantonment. This one has a pool and some other amenities. This is a D.R. Horton community. Homes range from approximately 1,200 to 2,900 square feet, with prices from the mid-200s to the mid-400s. One of the things we love about the D.R. Horton communities are the amenities that they're building, including clubhouses, and in this case at Sanctuary, a community pool. We're out here at Cypress Cove Townhomes. This is National Home Corporation subdivision. 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhouse. Is brand new. It's still undergoing a few finishings, but this is the best price in Pensacola at $195,000 for a 1,600 square foot townhome, new construction with a 1-car garage. Low maintenance, does have a small yard. It does back up to a wooded space. Located off of Highway 29 north of Well Line Road, the first phase of the Grove at Bellaterra is a Lennar community with beautiful homes under 2,000 square feet, priced under $320,000. They will be building additional phases of development in the community soon. Pecan Valley is a smaller community developed by Adams Homes off of Highway 295A. These spacious new construction homes range from 1,800 to 2,800 square feet and in price from the low 300s to 400,000. Okay, we're out here at Allison Acres. This is an Adams Home community under development off of 10 Mile Road in 29. New construction homes in Allison Acres are mostly under 2,000 square feet and currently selling between $300,000 and $350,000. Turtle Creek is another Adams Homes community in Cantonment, located about 2.5 miles north of Muskogee Road. This affordable patio home neighborhood features homes typically priced from the low to upper 200s, with floor plans ranging from about 1,200 to 1,600 square feet. Pine Top is another Adams Homes new construction community in Cantonment, located off of Well Line Road. This is a smaller neighborhood and it offers floor plans ranging from about 1,400 to 2,000 square feet, with homes typically priced from the upper 200s to the mid 300s. Most feature vinyl flooring, granite countertops, and of course energy efficient construction. If you're looking for something larger or more upscale, Cantonment has options for you too. Iron Rock and Carrington are two gated new construction communities in Cantonment. Iron Rock is built by DSLD Homes, while Carrington features new homes being built by Thomas Home Corporation. Now, pricing range from the mid-300s to the mid-800s, depending on size and level of finish, as there are a lot of options here. The Reserve at Brookhaven is a newer community by D.R. Horton, located off of Highway 97 with quick access to I-10 and Highway 29. This neighborhood offers a wide range of home styles and price points, from the low 300s to over 500,000. There's several floor plans ideal if you're looking for multi-generational or mother-in-law space, and the community also features amenities like a neighborhood park and pool. If you're looking for a new construction home in the Pensacola area, Cantonment may be a great choice, as there's a lot of new construction development in the area and it's just north of Pensacola. Give us a call to tour some neighborhoods.